Well, I hope you guys watched my video from yesterday, my vlog with my entire family. Not everybody. My dad was at work and my brother just ran past the phone. Well, my brother just ran past the camera, so you just see a little quick sneak peek of him. And we did get our Christmas tree up, but it is not finished, as it was a lot going on with the kids playing with everything. But we should probably have that finished today. And let me see, I'm on my way to dealership so that we can get my dad's car serviced. And I'm at AutoZone at the moment while my dad's getting his battery check for his other car that he got from my grandpa after he passed. So I really don't know what's really going on today. Today is Brian's 8th birthday, and you guys got to see him. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
You got to see him yesterday in the vlog, and I don't know what we're doing for his birthday. We already took him to Build-A-Bear to get his bear. I just have to make his cake that he requested. He requested a, sorry I'm looking down, I'm cutting my nose out. He requested a chocolate cake with vanilla whipped cream type frosting. And he wanted cherries on top, rainbow sprinkles, and he wanted strawberries on the side, but we're not doing strawberries. So I'll be back, guys. Bye. And we just got done getting the car service. It's freaking damn near 12 o'clock. Let me see. I can't look. Let me check. Hold on. Yeah, it's 12:37, and y'all saw what time we got here. Yeah. So none of us have eaten, and we are outside of, I'm outside of Little Caesars. Excuse me, while my dad is getting us some pizza so that I can go home and make my baby's cake and figure out what we're gonna eat for dinner. Probably gonna finish fixing the Christmas tree. We may not, and put the little village together on our fireplace that I showed you guys yesterday. And like I said, if you didn't watch yesterday's vlog, my house gets wilder than that. A lot of stuff we have, I don't really think I could put on YouTube like that. I'd probably lose a lot of subscribers because we get really real. And yeah, you'll start hearing me curse a little more in my videos because I am tired of hiding who I am. Either you're gonna like me or you're not. So my subbies that are here, I got about 533 of you guys, I think. Before my phone decided it wanted to be on some other stuff and just completely shut down while I was talking, I wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers. And well, my husband gets off at 7 o'clock tonight, so I'm not sure he's gonna be up wanting to vlog. We'll see what happens. Really not gonna be doing much, like I said today. Hey, say hey, Kenna. Hey. And so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this morning part of the vlog on off. They done came out with this pizza and it smells so good, and I'm just ready to go home, eat, get this cake made, and say happy birthday to my buddy and see what he wants to do today. And I will holler at you guys later if we got some festivities going on later on in the day, or some kind of activities that you guys can embark on. So I will see you guys later on in the evening. Deuces. Hey y'all, so it's Vlogmas day number 11 because yesterday nothing happened. I finally got some rest and I didn't vlog because I was sleeping. And today nothing really happened as well. I did my makeup, the video you'll see. I also did my nails. I tried to record that for you guys, but unfortunately my camera and my computer died at the same damn time, so I couldn't keep going. But I'm gonna still post it anyway, because I mean, it's a little something, you know. I'll probably add it to the end of this vlog anyway. So I'm about to go downstairs and go ahead and get this video uploaded. My nails are still wet and I'm just bumping them. I haven't washed my hands yet, so I have nail filing all over my shirt, but I'm cute though. But anyway, real quick, my whole makeup look, my eyeshadow was all done with the BH Cosmetics Aurora Lights palette. That is my favorite palette. But I will be getting some more BH Cosmetics sometime soon because I love all of their products. On my lips is, flashing my card. On my lips, that is, oh gosh, Smashbox Perfect Pink or Pretty Pink or something like that. It was on the bottom, but I didn't like the nude color for this look. So on top of it, I put, my nose running guys? Ugh, no boogers. So on top of that, I put LA Girls Matte. It was a magenta color. And I put the colors that are on my eyes on my lips as well. See, the cuticles are still dirty, blah, blah, blah. What else? I literally just got done and I have not vlogged. I needed to vlog. I'm gonna turn this camera around and show you guys the tree. We didn't do much else to it. I let my husband and the kids decorate. My youngest have snatched some ornaments off of it. But yeah. So that's what's going on today, guys. Makeup video is uploaded. It's going to be uploaded either before this or after this for Vlogmas. So I will see you guys again tomorrow. And if you like this look, make sure you check out the video and comment. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like. That is very, very, very important. Alright now, bye babies. Alright, so that's how our Christmas tree came out. My boy did a really good job. My husband did an awesome job fluffing this tree out. I am very proud of him. We have not put the topper on there yet, but we will. Say hi, baby. You fix it? Yeah, go ahead, fix it. Yes, Brian. So as you can see, my little one is pulling ornaments off the bottom, and he said he's gonna fix it. So he's gonna go ahead and put that. And before I get any questions, let me flip this bad boy around. Before I get any questions, no, I did not get my tongue pierced recently. My tongue has been pierced since I was 16. It was something my grandmother paid for me to get for my 16th birthday because that's what I really wanted. And my grandmother has since passed a few years. It's been a couple years ago. But I vowed that I would never let it close because, you know, I own my own business. I work for me. So I can have my piercings in whenever I freaking choose to. And, you know, I kind of want to get another piercing, and I do want to get a tattoo. But I don't know what yet. So, like I said, it's not new. I've never showed it on my videos, but you are going to see the me come 2019. I'm not hiding nothing. I cuss, oh well. I'm not monetized right now, if I get monetized, then you know they might make me change, but a lot of other YouTubers haven't, so maybe I won't have to worry about that. So bye now.
You see who got it? You see I'm still in the bank making deposits. You see who switched up sides and who was solid. You see who stuck to the code and who forgot it. Talk about it, bitch.
You know how to go and get a bag, don't you? You know how to make a bitch.